Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I love the beauty of this Anna Griffin Happy Scrapbook album. The pattern on this and the colors are just exquisite. The green and pink and purple together are just so beautiful, and the quality of the scrapbook is excellent. It has a linen-like feel to the outside. It has a beautiful binding, which can be extended if you add a lot of pages to your scrapbook. And I love the window in the front. It allows you to put a nice, beautiful title. So before they even open the scrapbook, they see what it's going to be about. And the pages are durable. I can fit kind of thick scrapbook pages inside of them. It's so fun to be able to capture our memories and put them in such a beautiful book. This Anna Griffin Happy Scrapbook album makes me really happy. I love it. I love the beauty of it and the quality of it. And that's my point of view.